let's explain why Bitcoin decreased down nowadays, okay? And we'll explain also the technical analysis and the price prediction. So let's start doing this step by step. Right now it's still decreasing in momentum, but it still has a little bit of the increase on these parties, and also this part, on this part for example. So we will have to do this actually. Okay, let's go for those things. If you see, for example, this part where it started to decrease and it started to increase, see, actually this is the middle process, it didn't goes out from it. And also if you see here, this is the start of decreasing or the start of increasing. Let's make it straight, okay, for like this, and goes rising it up. Okay, as you can see here, let's calculate number of waves. 1, 2, and maybe I am wrong about this part. So let's see actually how many waves if it started decreasing. Okay, this is actually true. Okay, it's decreasing, and okay, it will actually decrease and will not break. It will not break right here. It will go for the middle here or for this part and increase. Okay, just wait until it ends its process. That's what we wanted to explain on this